Thanks for tuning in, and we're here at the Festival of the Arts, and this is literally the slowest day in Disney operating season. It's during January 29th, and it's also darn cold. It feels like about 50 degrees, and that's cold when you've lived in Florida for a while. But the reason why we've come here, Kerry and I, is for a special reason. It's always special when you come to Disney, but super special reason. Check this out. So here's Kerry, and guess who we're here with? We're here with our new Figment.
Figment, the artist Figment. He's really cute.
How does he work?
Well, he's got a paintbrush, artist brush, and it turns colors. Well, I think there we go. See? There's all different colors there. Now it's green. Blue is nice. Pink is the best too. And it's off.
Does that brush come out of there? Can you take that out? Wow, that's amazing.
Yay.
So show us the Figment. Show us what he can
It
do.
goes back in somewhere. Okay.
Show us what Figment can do.
Look, here's the back of him.
You got to do something.
Oh, there's a popcorn thing back here, but I don't know how to open it.
I think you have to press his nose. Kerry's struggling with the Figment.
I'm not good at this stuff, so. Yeah, anyway, there's popcorn back there. He's got
All right, so Kerry got the nose pressed. What's in there?
tricolor popcorn.
Let's see it. You can't see it over there.
See?
Wow, it looks like Fruity Pebbles or some kind of
Fruit
cereal.
Loops.
Fruit Loops.
Yay, Fruit Loops.
So that's for like a zombie apocalypse or something like that.
Sure, we're gonna close it, huh? Okay.
It's cool. Look at this. He comes with the little hat, like an artist hat, and it's a happy Figment. Now, I was really nervous coming here. I'm nervous a lot of times, but the fact, because I'm a Mets fan, but the fact of the matter was, this is a cold night. It's a slow week at Disney, slowest of the year, slowest day of the year, right? I did not see one person. Did we see anybody walking out with a Figment?
Yeah, we did.
Not one person I saw walking out. So I was like super scared that they were all sold out. I mean, yeah, they're available online for like 50, 80 bucks or whatever. They're like normally 31. So we did not see one person walking out with one. He was meant for us. We came here to the imagination, or the inspiration station, which is Figment's inspiration station. And I'm going to show you, there was only about 6 or 7 of these left. And we got one right here. He was waiting for us to go back to our home. Look at that. Figment's extra happy. Check it out. And what's your name?
My name is Dennis.
Hey Dennis, my name is Al. I have a YouTube channel, Kindred Souls of America. And he's a big Figment fan. Look at this. You got the jacket. Look at this. That is awesome. I was just doing a video because there's only about 8 or 9 of these left. You got to go grab one. Oh, look at that. What's your name?
Nyla.
Hi, Nyla. Al. Nice to meet you. I love it. Figment's the ultimate mascot, isn't he?
If you get the popcorn bucket, be very careful with it. It's brittle, and the strap lets go.
Oh, so you own one already?
Well, I had to trade it in this morning because
Oh my God.
I actually bought it for somebody else. So this is what I normally wear with my Figment hat.
Oh, look at that. I love
but
that.
it's cold enough to wear this.
Where did you get that? Did you make that
I
yourself?
got
or-
this at the ride, the Figment ride.
Oh, they're selling them now. Okay.
Well, not now, but when I was here before, because I come all the time. Every
Okay.
couple of years.
Nice. Okay.